That's how my mornings usually start. Hi guys. Hi guys, it's Valerie. Welcome to my channel. What? That's not my intro. Hi guys, it's Valerie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, what's up? So if you can't tell by the title, today I am going to be filming a day in the life of my cats. I don't really know where I'm going with this video. I don't really have any plan for how I'm going to do this. I guess I'm just really going to follow my cats around all day. It might be really boring. It might be really entertaining. I guess it really just depends on whether or not you're a cat person, because I could watch videos of cats all day. But if you can't tell by her already meowing like crazy behind me, actually I love how she stopped right before I said that. Lucy, my little orange cat, she's currently in heat right now, so she just constantly is meowing and kind of sounds like she's crying, and it's actually really sad, but really she just wants some D. Yeah, I don't really know how this video is gonna go, or if it's ever even gonna make the internet. I hope it does, because like it's about my cats, so that's cute, you know? Like, so it's currently like 10 o'clock. I woke up a little while ago, and it is their breakfast time. So let's go feed my babies. Oh yeah, really quick, I should probably introduce you to them. This right here is my baby girl, Kalani. This right... Say hi, I know, this is kind of torture because you're hungry. I'll do it fast. This right here is my big boy, Kai. And that right there, like I said earlier, is my little girl, Lucy. These two are sisters, like biologically sisters, and that is their stepbrother, I guess you could say. His brother, actually, like his biological brother, my sister actually has him, so they get to see each other every now and then, but just not a lot, because that's probably a bit confusing. But yeah, but we're all one big family, and they all love each other, and they're all so sweet, and they're also very hungry, so let's get some food. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. What are you doing? No. Oh my god. Excuse you. You shouldn't even be on the table. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what happens when I go to the bathroom. So Kalani, for some reason, loves to play with water from the sink. I don't often let her do this because obviously it's a waste of water, but just for the video's sake. So she's kind of just staring at it right now. I think because the camera is in her face and she keeps looking at the camera. She's just staring at it, and usually she like attacks it and tries to like bite it even though it's water. I don't know. I have several videos of her doing this, so I will just insert it here if I can't get any videos of her doing it right now. Wow. I'm just gonna turn it off because she's just staring at it and I don't want to waste water. But if I don't turn on the sink for her, every single time I go to the bathroom, she will come in here and she will sit on the ground for a little bit, look up at me, and then she will come in front of the sink and jump up. And if I don't turn on the water for her, she will just sit in the sink, like just lay in it and purr. And sometimes she falls asleep. So I don't know what that is. If your cat does this too, please let me know. It's kind of a new thing that she's been doing. It's not really that new. It's kind of been going on for a few months now. Are you done now? Now she's mad because I turned it off. I know, baby. We're gonna get you fixed soon, okay? Yeah. Yeah. And now, since I came back out, they follow me. They follow me everywhere I go. It's so cute. She might not do it because she's in heat, so she's kind of in her own world. But usually anywhere I go, they all follow me, all of them. It's so cute. Also, ignore this. My old roommate has yet to come collect the rest of his stuff, so it's just in a pile waiting at the door for him to come get it. So yeah, ignore that. That's not normally there. You got it. Ooh. is what happens every single time I eat chicken. They are obsessed with chicken. You guys, the chicken is all gone, okay? There's no more. Nope. What? You just brought that to me in your mouth and started meowing, and you're not even gonna go run after it? You wanna play with something else? What about this one? No, no mouse. I'm done. I give up. Also, I totally just exposed myself with my 2 computer chairs at my dinner table. The other 2 broke. We're working on getting new chairs. Might actually just get a whole new table, but yeah. My camera is in the other room. Okay. Hello, big boy. Hi, Bean. Okay, come. Okay, come. Come here. Come here. That's a good boy. Okay, kiss. Kiss. No kiss. On my lips. Close enough. You're so precious. Okay. I'll give you attention too. Alright you guys, it's the next day now. I forgot to film an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are a few things that I feel like I kind of miss. Like usually every morning I'll be laying on this side of the bed because this is my side, and then she'll come right here. This is not pee, by the way. This is a stain from mustard from a while ago. Won't come out. Yeah, don't worry. I forgot to mention that earlier because I'm pretty sure you could see that earlier in the video. But she'll usually come lay like right here and she'll cuddle with me for like 15 minutes before I finally get up out of bed and feed them. So yeah, I didn't get a clip of her doing that because I forgot, but I think that's the only thing I really miss that like happens usually every day. I've been getting requests for like the last year or so to do a video about my cats, but I didn't know what to do because I don't really know what to say. Like, oh, this is Kai, he's 2 years old. This is Kalani and Lucy, they're sisters, and they're like 1. The end, you know? Like, I don't really know what to say in a video about them other than like how old they are and their names and like how I got them or something, and that would be like a 2-minute long video. So I thought to do a day in my life because I feel like that was more entertaining and a lot cuter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's up to you, I don't really care. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see from me next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. That's so cringy. I need to stop doing that. Okay, bye.